Hi guys, it's Friendly Advice again. I am cleaning my garage today. So let me help you through giving you some tips. So here we go. Let's get started. So this is the before picture of my garage. And I'm gonna start by first taking out most of the things out of the garage and then doing discard method, what I need, what I don't need, and then arranging it. So let me get started. Okay, just giving an update. I have emptied my garage. I'm just sweeping the floor and things are outside. I have this big box where I'm throwing things I don't need and all the garbage. So here you go, guys. I have cleaned my garage and put a beautiful plant in front, set up for this old table that I have, the chairs, and some radio. It's always good to listen to music or radio to help you clean, and cleaning is health and wellness of your mind. So make sure you clean and enjoy the sunshine. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.